Okay, so on this one, we are trying to find the volume of that shape. So I think you know how to do these pretty easily by now. This is going to be, what is this up here? This is going to be a pyramid, huh? That's a little big there. Pyramid, and then this down here is a rectangular prism. Another, not a rectangular prime, but a rectangular prism, what we commonly call a box. Again, right? So we have a box on the base, a rectangular prism is the technical name. And on the top, we have a pyramid. So just got to add those together. So we're going to take the pyramid plus the rectangular prism, the box. Okay, so what's the, let's go grab the formulas. What's the formula for the volume of a pyramid? We'll go up to our formulas. Pyramid. Volume 1/3 length times width times height. All right, now you might have the version that says 1/3 s squared 8. Same thing. I just changed it to be more general, but either way it's good. All right, let's go back and do this one. So the volume of the pyramid, so it's going to be 1/3 length times width times height. Plus, now the rectangular prism, how do you find the volume of a prism, right? Well, we've talked about that. So let me go back to prism one more time. So here it is, a prism is a box. And to find the volume, like a rectangular prism here, to find the volume, it is base times the height, because like the big Rubik's Cube thing here, you can see it's just the truth. I want you to feel it and see it. You just have to take the area of one layer, what we call the base, but it could be any, it could be top, bottom, middle, whatever, they're all the same. So take the area of one layer times the height, which is 4 layers high. So that's how we find volume. So let's go do that. So it's going to be the area of the base times the height. Okay. Start with the pyramid. So 1/3. 1/3 length width height. Okay, what are the length? Well, it's 9. This is 9 down here, which means this is 9. You know, from there to there is 9. And it says it's a square prism. So that means this is also 9. It doesn't look like it, does it? It doesn't look like a square. But they're telling us it is. It's a 9 by 9 square. 9 by 9. Doesn't look like it, but they're telling us it's a square prism. So 9 by 9. So the length and width, they're both 9. And the height, what's the height of the pyramid? Can we tell that? It's got to be what? 16 minus this height here. Height has got to be 16 minus 11. That's got to be 5, because 16 is the height from the ground, you know, up through the box and the pyramid together, 16, and the 11 is just the box. So the difference has got to be the pyramid's height. 16 minus 11, the pyramid must be 5. So we'll put in the pyramid's height as 5. So multiply those together on your calculator. That's what I'm going to do. I'm getting 135. Now, what's the prism, the box, the rectangular prism volume? Well, it's the area of the base. what's the base? Well, it's, you know, it's this 9 by 9, a rectangle down here, isn't it? 9 by 9, that's the base. That's the bottom of the box. It's a 9 by 9, length times width times the height, and the height is height of the box, height of the prism is 11, isn't it? So there we go. We'll put those together. I'm getting 891. So we've got to add these together. Get the total volume of the box plus the pyramid, 891 plus 135. I'm getting 1026. So there's the total volume. We handled it pretty easily by just saying it's a pyramid and a box, a rectangular prism. And so we used the formula for pyramid, 1/3 length width height. We found the height by just subtracting 16 minus 11. The height of the pyramid is 5. Plug that in, and then the box, the base, it's always area of the base times the height. Area of the base is 9 by 9, and the height is 11. And we add those up, 1026 total volume. There we go.